I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and I build bodies that shut down rooms, baby.
381, 143 pounds. So it works. Come on, let's get it. I was 275 when I delivered my child. I am down 70 pounds. The moment I watched the video, I knew you were going to be the person to change my life.
So if you tired of your pooch, get my super stomach shredder membership at KENYAFIED and get my other products too right now. You move up today and your life homework for today. Look, it's Tuesday. We're getting one step closer to summer. And guess who's going to help you dominate the summer? Guess who's going to help you shut down rooms? Guess who's going to help you break necks, drop jaws? I'm just saying, guess who's going to help you go poochless, and guess who's going to help you lose 20 to 40 pounds in the next 30 days? That be me. So let me give you your move of the day. Do me a favor. Give me 30 of these, and in the comment section, make sure you put hashtag done to let me know that you've knocked out this video. Also, get the Super Stomach Shredder membership. It's everything at KENYAFIED is 15% off. So where it says coupon at the checkout, enter KC-15, and everything in the store is 15% off. So definitely get the Super Stomach Shredder and get all my amazing products, and let's lose 20 to 40 pounds in the next 30 days, and let's do it together. All you need is a phone to get super sexy and super. I know I messed up my own saying. It's all you need is a phone and my supplement line to get super sexy and super fine. I messed up my own saying, but that's okay. It's my saying, so I can mess it up and then come back and say it again. Anyway, let me give you your move up today. Okay, this is what I need. So you're gonna plank here. Give me 30 of these. Okay, so you're gonna tap your knees. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you can break these up also into 2 sets of 15, but you're like, Coach, I can't hold myself up. That's cool. You get yourself a stool or a chair and do the same thing and just be here. Boom, drop, bring it back up, just like so. So if you can't hold yourself up, boom, get yourself a stool or a chair. Now, life homework. I like to call today, don't get distracted Tuesday. If it's not going to add to you and it's going to subtract from you, if it's not going to multiply you, but it's going to divide you up, don't even fool with it, okay? Always remember, consistency compounds. So the more I stay focused on my goals, my dreams and desires, the more I accrue. As I like to say, the more I do, the more I accrue. But I can't get nothing done if I'm always distracted by the issues of the world. What's going on in the news? What's going on in entertainment? What's going on in social media? You can never finish nothing because you're always distracted by the issues of the world. I need you to be distracted by the issues of your own world, okay? You're a pop star, P-O-P, a person on purpose. So today, I need for you to stay on purpose. If you agree to stay on purpose, say I got you, coach. Because remember, whatever you focus on will expand. That's for better or for worse. So I need for you to focus on what you're trying to knock out. No matter if it's weight, no matter if it's money, no matter if it's relationships, no matter what it is, your spirituality, no matter what it is. Whatever you're trying to multiply and expand, stay focused on. If you got me, say I got you, coach. And that's your move of the day, your life homework for today. So let's go ahead and let's dominate Tuesday. Love each and every single last one of you.